Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Friday, February 18th. You know what we do at my house on Fridays? That's right, we plant. There's a bit of a controversy on whether you want to chit your potatoes or not, whether you want to split your potatoes or not. Can I say that? The one thing I can say about chitting your potatoes is that way you know that they're viable. This week alone, I was asked 3 different times if I do soil tests. No, I do a deep mulch garden. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Thursday, March 3rd. 78 degrees, it's beautiful. Got to thinking about it. We are gonna go ahead and put some carrots next to these peas, a little companion planting. What's Forrest Gump say? Go together like peas and carrots. The thing about carrots, if you use a burlap sack, if you use a board, we're gonna go ahead and use hay for it this time. That holds the moisture in. They actually germinate better when it's cooler. It warmed up nicely today. It's supposed to start snowing tomorrow evening. Have an inch or 2 by Friday morning. So what do we do at my house? We're gonna sneak some potatoes in the ground. Come on, let's plant. Now, if you remember the last time we planted, we put a border of onions right here. That way we could separate each hill. That way we knew when it went in. And just like everything that you're gonna plant in the deep mulch, you pull your mulch back down to bare soil. I'm going to go ahead and put in some Pontiac Reds. Think a couple rows. Mulch back over it. And there you go. And that's all you got to do to put potatoes in a deep mulch garden. Good morning and welcome back to the garden. Today is Friday, March 11th, and it is snowing. Good thing we got those potatoes in the ground. So what do we do at my house on Friday? We plant. So let's go on inside and plant some seeds. I went ahead and filled these seed trays with soil yesterday and brought them in the house so that they could warm up. Hi, and welcome back to the garden. Today is Sunday, April 3rd. Today we're going to talk about compost. Some leaves. I think it's a beautiful way to start. I'm also going to take some of this 3/4 finished compost, put that back in as a layer just to charge this up. All right, I think I got all the weeds from the edges. Going to make a nice layer of green in here. Some of these I pulled up by the roots. I left the dirt on, which leaves the biology in there. And in a few more days of blooming, we'll be ready to make red bud jelly. Rained so much last night and this morning, we got standing water around the garden. But let's go ahead and take a look at the deep mulch. Now there's something about a thunderstorm that makes everything just stand up and look greener. It's almost as if it grew twice as big overnight. Good morning, welcome back to the garden. Today is Sunday, April 17th. Happy Easter. What do we do on Easter? We come out and we tend God's garden. So let's go ahead and put some potatoes in. Ruth Stout style is basically just drop and cover with hay. In honor of Ruth Stout, we're going to do it with her method. And I know you think I'm crazy, but there's one. She just said kind of drop them where they go. So just like Ruth Stout did, just take your hay, Good morning, welcome back to the garden. Today is Saturday, April 23rd. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Thursday, April 27th. We're going to plant peanuts. Now I asked a friend, and I understand we can go ahead and start them in containers and then go ahead and transplant them out in the garden. We'll have no problem. I'm kind of concerned about just planting them straight out in the garden. They are peanuts after all, and we do have squirrels, so come on, let's plant. Oh, by the way, we have some good news. Doc says I'm going to be okay in a little while. There's a clean break, and as long as I don't put any weight on this, I should heal up, and we'll just put one in each one of these. Well, hi, welcome back to the garden. Now this last line of tomatoes, I haven't put any mulch back because I want to intercrop some beets in there. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Friday the 13th. You know what we do at my house on Friday the 13th? Well, of course, we plant a reaper. So we're going to go ahead and plant some peppers in the deep mulch. Come on, let's plant. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Thursday, May 26th. It's been raining off and on since Saturday. Let's see how the deep mulch handled the monsoon. Let's also see if there's something we can't bring in the house for dinner tonight. Come on, let's check it out. Well, hi. Welcome back to the garden. Today is Monday, June 6th. Yeah, it looks like I'm getting ready to plant. The Ruth Stout method. And that's what you get. That is beautiful. Look how clean they come out. There you go. Just like that. Look how nice that comes up. We've been looking at that front cabbage, but what you didn't know is we've got cabbages up underneath these seeds. So let's go ahead and just cut and drop. See what we got here. Take all these outside leaves off. But we had disaster today. Come with me. We had disaster. Neighbors are cutting hay, and the blister beetles decided they wanted to start on the potatoes. And they came through all of this, came all the way around here, came all the way through here, and this is the last of the potatoes that we planted. And they just devastated everything. But good news is, that's all that they touched. Now, I had to fill the bottle twice, but I got Dawn dish soap in here, and this time I didn't just put a couple drops, I put it in heavy. And I didn't just spot spray, I just sprayed it all. Good morning and welcome back to the garden. Today is Saturday, July 2nd. And you know what Saturday means. We're going to do a quick review of the deep mulch garden, then we're going to go to you and see what's going on in your garden. Thanks, buddy. Now that's what I've been waiting for. Oh, this big one's got some red on it. That one's starting to turn. That is beautiful. To be successful with great big tomatoes like these, doesn't hurt to take them as soon as they start blushing. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Tuesday, July 27th. Kind of looks like fall. It's 105 degrees out. We've hit our peak. Tomorrow it's going to be only 100. Then it's going to rain over the weekend. We'll be down in the 80s. I've had several questions about mulch lately. Now I like to use grass, but with this warm streak, we haven't had any grass. Now the cottonwood trees do not like it this hot, and they've been dropping leaves. And since I won't have any grass until after the rain to put on the garden, let's go ahead and gather up some of these leaves. We're going to continue to mulch. So come on, let's sweat. I think we got some okra that needs to come off. You do just a little pruning, and look what happens. That is beautiful. Now that is gorgeous. Now that's why we do it. This stuff tastes great. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Wednesday, August 24th. I understand if you want to have the boiler kind of peanuts, you can go ahead and harvest these around 90 days. If you want to have the roasting kind, you need to go about 140, 150 days. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is still Saturday, September 24th. Think we're going to go ahead and harvest some peanuts. I'm not even actually sure how to go about doing this. I really have no idea what to expect, but it appears that they've continued to make roots as they've expanded out. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. And in the deep mulch, you just pull. Look at that. Well, hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Thursday, October 27th. Some of the easiest leaf mold you'll ever make. You know what we do at my house on Fridays? We plant. Come on, let's plant in the cold frame. And there's my friend the groundhog. Right now he's eating acorns. I think the new electric fence actually has kept him out the last several days. And I've got some cabbages that we hadn't planted yet. We're going to go ahead and get those in the ground. We're supposed to be in the low 20s the rest of this week, although tomorrow's going to be in the mid 50s in the day. It's a roller coaster. You got to cover and uncover. Well, hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Thursday, November 24th, Thanksgiving. Started raining about 9 o'clock last night, and it rained all night long. And I am thankful for the rain. We had quite a little bit. But one of the things, if you're doing deep mulch, you can get more leaves in your wheelbarrow when they're damp. Well, hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Wednesday, December 21st. And you know what that means? It's winter time. The shortest day of the year. Now, I couldn't wait for you. I needed to start buttoning this up. The forecast is still saying that cold line is on its way. By the morning, we'll be in the teens, and by tomorrow afternoon, single digits. A little more than snow flurries. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Friday, January 27th. Looks like we made it through another winter storm. We got true leaves on the spinach and the turnips. Carrots are doing great. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Wednesday, February 1st. You were with me Saturday when we closed up the garden. You know, I thought it was going to get kind of cold for a little while. This is the first time it's been above 25 degrees since then. They had the forecast a little wrong. We've had snow, sleet, and freezing rain on and off ever since. Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Sunday, February 12th. Finally got the greenhouse buttoned up enough. I think we're going to go ahead and plant. I'm excited to get this greenhouse full of seedlings. I hope you join me for that. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.